Good morning students. Today I am going to explain the first exercise in second chapter. That first question it is given, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. And first one is given 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Is it a polynomial? Yes, 4x square minus 3x plus 7 is a polynomial because the power of the variable of x is 2. And here the power of the variable of x is 1, means 2 and 1 are the whole numbers. Then we can consider this given algebraic expression as polynomial. And in second one, y square plus root 2 is given, and here also the power of the variable is 2, the whole number is given. That's why this one is also a polynomial. In third one it is given 3 root t plus t root 2. Here the power of the variable t is root t, means t power, we can write t power, root t means t power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not a whole number, that's why we are not able to consider this one as polynomial. And fourth one is given y plus 2 by y. 2 by y means y to the power of minus 1. Again here that negative integer is given, that's why this given algebraic expression is not a polynomial. And in fifth one it is given x to the power of 10 plus y cube plus t to the power of 50. Here that powers of the variables are whole part is given, whole numbers are given, but here not in one variable. Here this is x, y, t, three variables are using here, that's why this is also not the polynomial in one variable. And in question number 2 we have to write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. We have to write the coefficient of x square. Here 2 plus x square plus x. What is the coefficient of x square here? 1 into x square, that is x square, that's why the coefficient of x square is 1. And in second one 2 minus x square plus x cube. Here x square, coefficient of x square, we have to multiply that x square with minus 1. We can here that x square into minus 1, we will get minus x square, that's why the coefficient of x square is minus 1. And in third one it is given pi by 2 x square plus x. To get pi by 2 x square we have to multiply that x square with pi by 2, that's why the coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Here root 2 x minus 1 x square term is not here in that given polynomial, that's why that coefficient of x square is 0. And in question number 3 it is given, give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. What is a binomial? Binomial means it has only two terms and the degree must be 35, means highest power must be 35. Then the binomial of degree 35 can be, we can write that x to the power of a variable, any variable you can take. Here I am taking that variable as x to the power of 35 plus x to the power of 34. Here two terms are there and the highest power is 35, means the degree of the polynomial is 35. And in second one we have to write the monomial of degree 100. Monomial means again only one term must be there. Here I am taking again the variable as x to the power of 100. Here one term only is there and the degree is also 100. And in question number 4, write the degree of each of the polynomial. Degree means what? Degree means the highest power of the variable. Here in first one it is given one variable polynomial is given 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Highest degree of that variable x is 3, then the degree of this polynomial is 3. And in second one 4 minus y square, this is the polynomial with the variable y and that highest power is 2, then the degree of the polynomial is 2. And in third one 5t minus root 7, power of t is 1, then the degree of the polynomial is 1. And in fourth one only this is constant polynomial, you know very well the degree of the constant polynomial is 0. And in question number 5, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial, what is a linear polynomial? Linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial, these are depend on the degree of the polynomials. Linear polynomial means that power should be 1 And quadratic polynomial degree should be 2 and the cubic polynomial means degree should be 3. X square plus x. Here the degree of the polynomial is what here? 2. 2 means this is quadratic polynomial. And x minus x3. X minus x cube. Here the degree of the polynomial is 3. 3 means this is cubic polynomial. And in third one, y plus y square plus y4. Here degree of this polynomial is 2. Then this is a quadratic polynomial. And in fourth one, it is given y 1 plus x. Here degree of this polynomial is 1. 1 means this is, we can consider as linear polynomial. And here in fifth one, it is given 3t. 3t means t power 1. 1 again means this is linear polynomial. And r square per degree of the polynomial is 2. Then we can consider this polynomial as quadratic polynomial. And in last one it is given 7x cube. Here degree of the polynomial is 3. Then this one we can consider as cubic polynomial.